Yeah. Next question is, what is pressure? This is important. Now, on this basis, there are certain questions. Give reasons, like why do railway tracks have large sized concrete sleepers? Okay, that means they are wide concrete sleepers. Or your bags have wide straps, isn't it? Because as the area increases, first we had very thin straps. Area decreases, means pressure will increase. Our shoulders used to pain. Now they have wide straps. Why? Because as the area increases, the pressure decreases. Similarly, why do buildings have wide foundation? It's because, again, the same reason you give. The area increases, the pressure decreases. There are so many questions on this. Sharp knife, then pointed nails, all these, the reason is the same. As area increases, pressure decreases. As area increases, all of them carry the same answer. As area increases, pressure decreases. I'm just giving you a short form here. Okay. Next, what you have to study here is the next important question. What is buoyancy or upthrust? That is a very important question. Buoyancy. Then you have Archimedes principle and applications. Archimedes principle. Then applications of Archimedes principle. Study this. And at the same time, a piece of cork floats, okay, while iron nail sinks. Now this is also there in the textbook. Now this is because of the density. So density is nothing but, density is mass per unit volume. That means the density of cork is less, okay, less than density of water. That means upthrust of water, the force with which, see, if you take a bucket in water, if you pull a bucket in water, it will be very light. Once you take it out, it becomes heavy. Why it is lighter in water? Because there is a force which is applied by the water is pushing up. So the upthrust, we call that upthrust of water on the cork is more or greater than its weight. So it floats. Now same thing you'll write with iron. The density of iron nail is more than the density of water. That means the upthrust of water is lesser than the weight of iron, or upthrust which the iron nail is giving. So it sinks. So for all the answers, this is the basic you will be giving. Only you will be replacing cork and iron nail, because everything, wherever the upthrust of water is more, then it will float. Upthrust of water is less, then it will sink. Okay, greater than 1 and is equal to 1. So these are some of the questions which are important. Next class, I will be giving you some important problems which will solve on gravitation, and tissues lesson I will give. Okay, bye. Take care.